Dear CN say, and cancer boadu, Sawa Henia, a tutrasem, a shiny mana, on the baba, your friend Mavis in Casa Boadun tea. Or pray to me, and they Okatakyie da wono. Ye police for the 2 adware trim, mo genuine good trimono. Okatakyie, ye na intensive care. Me no kasa or the intensive care because still na mo jano and nam the trim and him. Now, yan sorry nkoti NPP mpanimfo a chairman Wontumi. Oni ya you free. Video azan video makoya beto abonten. Aseda ye video say ete say de Okatakyie pa in cancer board wo hini nipa boni ni wei omo pa ne chew se wo ye hwan. Say ye hu no susikani dantide yi. Now, when a chew say enkofo de wo hini gina ho no, omo na hye kire ema wo hini eyisu police sabe ya nkonku Okatakyie. But one day they will pay the price. Abusia Okatakyie hu video no wabemo mo warning say on suma obia so obia nkopeti bonkoso bia chew na sade mrase no se obesha asase ase credit 300 years obepia bonten amamra ayedwuma fi se eye legal right se o serve obia wa na court injunction to wompa obia chew ndisa mu chama Wontumi ene ayi wa free o mo fefi o mo se a sabe ti bonkoso leadership we mu ena ma party na ye tantantan enne o mo ne akogina ho se obi pachawo Okatakyie so onsoma wo mu ye to so bio enu nguase ato o me se video yi Mavis in Casa Boadu ene ne papa di nkwase asem constituency wo wie ye no ma nipa prepare ye no with the police brutalities no o wie no osresre enu a omukodi no so yasera ka che se wo so fa ansa hye ayimhwe wo so yesa de wo so wapra akohwifu asefo monim be guase tumi be fono mo enche goda na eba no sa old status no a sa nkura status ne yen kuku nipa wi no abepa wa no upra nipa wi no abepa no atwam. Now NPP mpanimfo egu Asante region very dangerous hwede Wontumi ayi free chairman buga Okatakyie pra ka kire say AI e kire say wo nyina hye kire na no wo ntimi anyina Okatakyie mfesi no nti Casa Boadu ena wo ye ohene wo de ohene bekatakata so na wo bedi atutu asem ena wo makwhye nechi. But one day, posterity will be a judge. Now, abusia, share video, azan video, enra, Jerry Ahmed, eko Okatakyie ho. Yehu ya na say, oni Wontumi mososo. Akwa jinem, ewo, in Casa Boadu aya ye kopane cho. Odi ene waye, obi a wakosha police fo achi, ama ya papa ni patrim, o kopane cho say.
Wontumi ane Mavis papa ni na Casa Boadu aye waf. Wagina odi asumdue aba. Ane ayi wa free ye papa. Enie. Wagina odi asumdue no pepepe. Asumdue ana na Casa ane adwumaden ana na Casa Boadu. Ope. Tene bibia ye. Ana odi bone susu chen. Na odi bone chen. What did you have? Tina me do asia pia. Thank you so much. But please take care. So when you are done.
Hello.
I refuse to be used as a pawn in anyone's political calculation or public relation exercise. My convictions are not for sale. My principles are not negotiable, and my integrity cannot be compromised to satisfy the ambitions or interests of any individual or group. Those who seek to rewrite the fact through carefully staged optics should understand that the Ghanaian people deserve honesty, not political theater. I remain resolute in my commitment to truth, justice, due process, and the rule of law. I shall continue to pursue every legitimate avenue available to protect my right and defend the democratic values upon which our great party is founded. I therefore call on party faithfuls, supporters, members of the media, and the general public to disregard any suggestion that the said video represent my position or was produced with my knowledge, consent, or approval. The truth cannot be manufactured, and history will judge every actor by the role they choose to play. Kasi Afrifa.
Asamba akuna mpesa mde tuwe ni.
Wei ene video no. Muma yentie video no. Mufa video no tusuye. Na yentie video no. Na yensaimra. Yentie.
Wontumi ane Mavis papa ni na nankansa boadua ye boafo. Wakina obi asumdue aba. Ane ayu afiri ye papa. Emie. Wakina obi asumdue no pepepe. Asumdue ana na nankansa ane adwumaden ana na nankansa boadu. Ope. Tene bibia ye. Ana wode bone susu chen. Na wode bone chen. Wode bibia chen. Tena na ye do wase apia. Pia. Thank you so much. But please take care.
Aha. Enti monko video ba ko Jerry Abed Kosra. Okatakyie Afrifa say minority leader Afenyo Markins esuma Jerry Abed so omesra no na omu ko betimi de asie no afaso Jerry Abed buy no obesra no ombedi nkomo kama na Jerry Abed free hono mo ana ohun say video bi abetota video no na the second video no a chama Wontumi Jerry Abed ayi free akọ na nkansam boadu ho na omu kopa na chewo Okatakyie issue statement say dabio me mpa obi a chewo na wasme da wo pa chewo party de krata aba asem ye nto aba Ejira me me party no mra what said at all. I was protecting my political party because party I issued chairman of the party I issued statement aba me kra me try can statement bi say me nto aba intimate say MPP for to am hey chairman say issue statement that baby you and man tie me kwa kore enti so obekọ ye na de besikosi ye enti me nya obi abone na makọ pa obi a chew na mom say nipa wo no fi so omo ye bone na wo kopa omo a chew omo mpa na me Okatakyie Afrifa de me Nigeria America ya ni sankomo no ya ni nkomo so onkopa chew mame ana oni nipa ko bi onkopa chew mame enti omo akopa omo a chew omo a oni ogira de ogira sa aba no ye bese akoto foforo
obi kura betimi atro petition di aba se maintain me biase na koyensem kwa sa church central so trobo na fire service ni the bet you go nipa ni ye body pass so tro ni ye play nipa all because say nipa ni person ojetum say party ba person ye party argument ye bono adan okwa na akwakoye boache bi ni okwa na kwaye sonto but say
enra video ni picture ni bi
they here
me use ka mo obi a gogoro ka mamu de to screen so mame
they here no
Chairman Wontumi are you a free year
yes
Jerry Ahmed any Adam Penfobi
yes
a corner non cancer board work opana chow and then a bar honorable Mavis in cancer board opana chow all in the name say Okatakyie Afrifa to wanyini ye
omo na ekasa mana na asasa odabi o omo na ekasa mana no asasa no
waka omo free hono a pen Okatakyie issue statement true for the records any na Okatakyie issue statement any mama cabinet here disclaimer of purported apology video circulating on social media. My attention has been drawn to a carefully choreographed video currently circulating on social media in which the deputy minority leader of the New Patriotic Party NPP, Chairman Bernard Chibo Siako Chairman Wontumi, Honorable Dr. Nana Ayuwa-Friye, Member of Parliament of Justice Asokore, and Madam Mavis Nkansa Boadu appeared to be conveying what has been deliberately portrayed as an apology on my behalf over the events that occurred during the suspended NPP Afrifa East constituency election on Sunday. I wish to state, I wish to state in the strongest possible terms that I neither authorized, requested, endorsed, nor commissioned any individual or group to apologize on my behalf. Any attempt to create such an impression is false, deceptive, mischievous, and a calculated distortion of the truth. For the record, I can confirm that earlier today, the deputy minority leader visited me after being assigned by the minority leader to explore avenues for resolving the impasse arising from the unfortunate event at the Afrifa East. During the meeting, I made my position abundantly clear and without ambiguity. I categorically stated that I will not render an apology or any apology to the self-acclaimed political chief over matters in respect of which I believe I acted within my legal and constitutional right. I made it clear that I neither saw any justification for such an apology, nor would I authorize anyone to offer one on my behalf. It is therefore astonishing that shortly after that meeting, a video emerged creating the false impression that an apology had been offered on my behalf. That purported representation does not reflect my position, my instruction, or my authority. The public should therefore regard the circulating video as an initiative undertaken by those who featured in it and not as one commissioned, authored, or sanctioned by me. If others have chosen to pursue their own political objective or personal interest through such public engagement, they must accept full responsibility for their own words and action.
And Mugwasia na huye no sikani bre to midie eti wadasani begu no wanu ase wadasani bedani jimifo at all time. Now, share enam say police commander no was Afrifa secretary East no or share papa ni botom nti no and Mugwasia enti no case no me call court no enemi no ka say omo sare de akoko to ajaji ni eyare omo nse so omo ko different place no omo se da bi eni yasa ache wo mo ye do omo ekwa akotum until Friday so no masa aye kokko asa omo se Monday see ye ka kire mu pay police commander kura wo sa region nim sa wonnim na sa Okatakyie waje ne ho one city adi oni wasefo enome eduaba ye bromu no ebeka wo yire wo ma sa wonnim na waje sika free kansa boadu wo say me ko kire Okatakyie nyansa mra wanya ohwea get ready na eduaba ya package ya de soma wo ne wo ma wo yire ne wo ma ne wo busuafo it will shock you. Police ni bia wakwaje sika Okatakyie ho police ni bia waje sika onipa bia waje sika Okatakyie ho say me ko dini bone get ready wo yire wo ma ene wasefo nyina no mu nyina mu benya the same problem. Eduaba ya package enome ya sesa ensuo ni agrada ya sesa ayede bremo wo ne wasefo nyina no get ready ti say bone ye Ghana for de enu ntro mu suro duabo no. Now lawyer no a wogina Okatakyie no aka rehosem eye bad hey enkrofo ne timo osum ne dukwase da ne fiada so a no mu gina sore dem very dangerous society. Very dangerous society. Just say obinya sika kakra bi a ye otimi di nkwase asem bi a ope. Now, Chairman Wontumi me no ka say ba bi a court say injunction wo ho no enne one wa you free ye ene wo mo aka say wasoe wo mu in tio court say munya bato no party steering committee the krata ba abonten enra chairman NPP chairman acting chairman wakasa or say yanyi abato bi ya to no sa konso enu a problem awo nyina ntom lawyer Gary ni makoso akasa enso ade chen no Chairman Wontumi say because so Okatakyie ye ne enemy if you say why about me akoda e na Okatakyie de wono no party ni mu no wo ye bibi obeka nti no enne wono na so wo mu in define the court order
very much. I was part of the meeting. Letter no any fake. Letter no a genuine letter. That is one. Number two. Party no a party sebe yede emra yajuma. Emra yajuma. And you know sebe assemble court. Now there's an injunction order. I was so. And now there's a process to challenge the very thing. A party no and the Juma by holding the process until we go to court to deal with the matters in contention. And until letter now, Chamabuti Troyano. I have a fake letter. A letter that came out of a steering committee meeting, of which I was part of it. Letter no any fake.
Right. Now, lawyer, send you ni move na letter you authentic and says press statement memorandum you authentic. The course war two constituencies here can Efija Secretary East and Asante Achim Central. Yeah, the other constituency be bebem. Not just why no go ahead to organize those elections because not just Democrat do change communicate be about
well. I can tell you this the name the obi or go ahead akwa the party structure ought to be respected. The chairman ought to be respected. The steering committee decision ought to be respected. If anybody had disrespected the steering committee meeting, I think the person, will take his own decision and then whatever he does, ownership. The party would not accept any results or any election from any of those constituencies.
And in I say about to of course weekend null and void in those two constituencies.
The party will not accept any results.
Na internal election kakra mo koso na mo bro mo ho a to the standard Okatakyie timu na papa isa no.
Almost
say Okatakyie timu ya twitwa na ne bra na ya bro na AI. Oh, Chama, oye malam, jasa, oye malam, jasa. Chairman.
Me go to my about the chima. Me to my about the chima, no Chima to Abada Sudim. Baby and see the Kumachi, my chili baby on to Abania, Baby and Chile, Bantaman Guana, Bika Kasi. But Okatakyie the other day, the problem who we know probably show me who Okatakyie.
Video no one who Okatakyie.
See who video no for time. Who video no for time.
Is there no Okatakyie video and I'm the AI?
Let's say AI, I'm gonna pray.
But many Chamabuta didn't come manaka so no crash mass or Munko Belino. Nay, if you ask him to move a jazz and number fee.
Chamabute. Like Chamabute, maybe a Chamabute friend. So,